Your travel business runs on communication. When a booking is made, your customers need to know. Your admin team needs to be notified. WP Travel Engine's email notification system handles all of this automatically, and you can customize every single email. In this video, I'll show you how to set up email notifications in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Before we jump in, there's one important thing to mention. For your emails to actually reach your customers' inboxes reliably, you'll want to make sure your WordPress site is connected to an SMTP service. Without it, emails can end up in spam or fail to send altogether. Setting up SMTP is a separate process, so I've made a dedicated tutorial video on that. I'll leave the link in the description below. Make sure you check that out first if you haven't already. Now, let's move on to configuring email notifications inside WP Travel Engine. From your WordPress dashboard, click on WP Travel Engine in the left sidebar, then click on Settings. Look for Emails in the left panel and click on it. You'll see two options, Notifications and Settings. Let's start with Settings. This page is crucial. It's where you tell WP Travel Engine who your emails are coming from and where replies should go. You'll see several fields here. Let me break down each one. Inquiry notification emails. This is the email address that will receive notifications whenever someone submits an inquiry form on your site. If you want multiple people to receive these, separate the email addresses with a comma and no spaces. Admin notification emails. Enter the email address here that should receive notifications whenever a booking or sale is made. Again, if you have multiple email addresses, separate them with a comma and no spaces. Under the Sender Details section, from Name, this is the name that will appear in your customers' inboxes when they receive an email from you. Use your agency name or site name here. From Email, this is the actual email address that your emails will be sent from. Reply To. When a customer clicks Reply on your email, their response will go to this address. Under the Branding section, you have two optional fields, Header Image or Logo. Upload a logo or header image that will appear at the top of all your email notifications. This helps brand your emails and makes them look professional. Footer text. Add any footer text you'd like to appear at the bottom of all your emails. This could be your business address, phone number, website link, or any other information. Below that, you'll see a Test Emails section. This is useful for verifying that your email setup is working correctly. However, as I mentioned at the beginning, this only works if your site is properly configured with SMTP. You can enter an email address and click the Test Email button to send yourself a test email. This will help ensure that your SMTP configuration is working properly and that emails are being delivered to inboxes as expected. If you haven't set up SMTP yet, make sure to watch the dedicated SMTP setup tutorial I linked in the description before testing. Once you've filled in all these details, click the Save Settings button at the bottom. Now, let's go back to Notifications. Click on Notifications under the Emails section. You'll see two tabs at the top, Admin and Customer. Let's start with the Admin tab. There are two main ones here, Booking Confirmation and Payment Confirmation. Let's start with Booking Confirmation. First, make sure Enable Notification is toggled on. If this is off, no email will be sent to your admin when a booking is made. From here, you can customize the name, subject, and email content to match your brand's tone and style. You can also click the Personalization drop-down to insert dynamic tags that automatically pull in real booking data like the trip name, booking ID, customer name, and more. The email content editor gives you two modes, visual for a rich text experience, or code if you prefer to write HTML directly. Below the email content area, you'll notice there's a preview template link. Before you save your changes, it's a good idea to click on this to see exactly how your email will look when it's sent to customers or admins. You can also send a test email using the Send Test Email button to see it in your inbox. Once you're satisfied with how your email looks in the preview, click Save Settings to finalize your notification setup. Next, click on Payment Confirmation below Booking Confirmation. This email fires when a payment is successfully received and confirmed for a booking. Follow the same process and click Save Settings. Now, let's set up the customer notifications. These emails go directly to your customers at different stages of their journey. Each one fires automatically based on specific actions. Booking confirmation fires when a customer completes checkout. Payment confirmation fires when their payment is successfully received. Account registration fires when a customer creates an account. Forgot password fires when a customer requests a password reset. Inquiry fires when a customer submits an inquiry form. Just like the admin notifications, you can customize the subject and email content for each and preview them. Keep in mind that some WP Travel Engine add-ons, like the installment add-on, also trigger their own email notifications, which will appear here once installed. And that's it. You've now set up automated emails that fire instantly after a booking is made. Your admin team gets notified the moment a booking comes in, and your customers receive instant confirmation, no manual work required. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more WP Travel Engine tutorials. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how to create automated emails for every stage of your customer's journey with you. If you have any questions about setting up automated booking emails, drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.